Okay, so adverbials of time. Adverbials of time tell the reader when something is happening, okay? So it gives the time that something is happening. This helps the reader to understand the order of events, okay? So it's really important with instructions that we include adverbials of time at the start of the sentence. So it's really clear to the reader when they read the step what time order they need to do the different steps in. Okay, so it's nice and clear and it gives the order. Now, time adverbials or adverbials of time, you can say it either way, they can just be one word alone. Okay, so like these examples: first, after, immediately, next. Okay, so they can just be one word alone. That is, all of these are time adverbials. However, they can also be phrases, so they can be more than one word long. So, for example, after you have cracked the egg. So, when we start to include phrases as our adverbials of time, this gives the reader more detail. Okay, so instead of just saying after, you can go that little bit further and explain after you have cracked the egg. Okay, so it just gives the reader a bit more detail. So, if we have a look here, we've got 2 steps to making a cake. Now, obviously, the flour's gone in first, and then you need to put the egg in. So my adverbial of time I could start with, so I'm going to write a sentence about these 2 pictures, explaining what time order they came in. So, after you have added the flour, crack the egg and pour the egg yolk into the bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger so you can see that. Okay, so after you have added the flour, crack the egg and pour the egg yolk into the bowl. So this part here, after you have added the flour, okay, that is our adverbial of time. Okay, because it's telling you that you're going to crack the egg and pour the egg yolk into the bowl after you have added the flour. So it's very important that we make sure the reader knows that they're doing it after the flour's been added. Okay, so that gives you an idea of time adverbials.